Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create ultra realistic free AI images in TensorArt. In TensorArt, you can also use the image from FLUX AI, which is on a very realistic AI images that you can use. So in here, what you need to do after you open the TensorArt, you can just sign up and then sign in. And in here, you can just scroll down on the home page until you find the FLUX. This one's right here, mastering flux from engineering. So you can just open the article, and in here you can see articles in here, and you can also see the ChatGPT link. You can just click on this, and here you need to sign up again into the ChatGPT if you haven't. Okay, so in here, after the ChatGPT is open, you can just write the prompt that you want to create a Flux AI images. Here you can, for example, I'm going to just write, hey, I want a picture on Flux AI with a man in a car while drinking soda and see the sunset, for example. Here you can just hit on enter, and in here you'll get this image. So if you want to download the image, you can just click on here to download. You can also open the TensorArt again, and here you can create, or I'm going to just write the same prompt in here. You can click on real-time generate, and it will show up the image. And you'll also see this image, so you can just choose which one that you want to use from ChatGPT on Flux or TensorArt on Flux. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click